Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably looking to update your primary email on the LinkedIn app, maybe because you've switched jobs, changed providers, or just want to keep things current. Don't worry. It's a quick and straightforward process that we'll walk through step by step. This guide is tailored for the 2025 version of the app, so you can trust it's up to date. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will bring up a menu. Go ahead and select Settings from the options. It's usually right there for easy access. Next, scroll down in the Settings menu until you find the Account section. Tap on that, and then look for Email Addresses or something similar. It might say Contact Info, depending on the app update. Here, you'll see a list of all the emails linked to your account. To add a new one, hit the Add Email button and enter the new address you want to use. After you add it, LinkedIn will send a verification code to that email. Check your inbox, enter the code in the app to verify it, and boom, you're good to go. Now, to make this new email your primary one, just tap on it in the list and select Set as Primary. Double-check everything to avoid any mix-ups. One quick tip. If you have an old email you no longer use, you can remove it from the list to keep your account tidy. Just tap the email and choose Remove. Remember, changing your primary email might affect notifications, so update any linked services if needed. And there you have it. That's how you change your primary email on the LinkedIn app in 2025. It only takes a couple of minutes and keeps your profile accurate. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.